We're going to take a look at image lazy loading. This is a technique for speeding up the way that a page appears when it's first loaded by only showing those images that show on the screen at any one time. An example here is of this page. I've set up a gallery and we can see a koala here, but the gallery actually has many other images of animals below. But when the page loads for the first time, it loads all of these images as well as just this one that we can see at the top, and that's a lot of work for the web server to do. The last time I ran this it took about 3.32 seconds. If I run it again, it's sort of 2.96 seconds, 3.8 seconds. So you're looking at somewhere between 3 and 4 seconds for the page to load with all of the images. And we'd like to try and make that a bit quicker using lazy loading. So what we're going to use is a plugin, this plugin here, the EWWW Image Optimizer. Now this is a plugin which changes the size of images and also changes the format that those images are sent to the browser, which is fine, but we're going to use just one little part of it. Let's activate it and go to the settings, and this is a checkbox that turns on lazy loading. So if we go into the easy mode, scroll down here to lazy load and save the changes, what that does is it sends a little bit of code with the page that says only show the images when they come into view. And so we should be able to see the difference here. If we refresh the page should load quicker. It should load quicker. Yeah, so 1.3 seconds. 1.5. We should generally find that the page loads about half the speed with these examples, 1.09. So it's tending to come in between 1.1 and 2 seconds rather than between 3 and 4 seconds. And the way it's doing that is it's just loading this koala picture first, and then other pictures that are loaded, I don't know if you can see, but they flicker in as we scroll quickly. There we had one there that took a while to load. And it's loading the images as they come into view. So it's not got that big download of images when the page is first rendered. And that makes it better for the users because the user experience of a page loading quickly is better. And it's also better for Google because Google sees a page that loads quicker and it should hopefully rank it higher than a page that loads slowly.